Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Problem of the Day with Miss Allen. Today's problem is letter B. Miss Allen is at the beach. She makes a sandcastle. Then she makes 3 more. Last, she makes 1 more sandcastle. How many sandcastles does Miss Allen make altogether? So remember, boys and girls, it is a word problem, and when we see a word problem, we use the S.O.L.V.E method. First, we underline the question, and the question is, how many sandcastles does she make altogether? Check. Then we think about what this problem is asking us to find. Is this problem putting together problem or taking away problem? It is a putting together problem, and the problem is asking us to find the amount or the number of sandcastles that Miss Allen makes all together. Check. What is important? She makes 1 sandcastle, then she makes 3 more sandcastles, and last she makes 1 more sandcastle. We do not need to know that she's at the beach. That's not going to help us. Check and check. Now we can draw a picture. So, boys and girls, I went ahead and I drew a picture. So first, Miss Allen makes 1 sandcastle. Then she makes 3 more. 1, 2, 3 more sandcastles. And then she made 1 more. And when we look at our picture, we can then write an equation. So we have 1 plus 3 more plus 1 more. And when we count them, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And we can write the number 5 for our equation. So we have our picture and we have our equation. Now, boys and girls, we can use our objects. So first, Miss Allen has 1 sandcastle. Then she has 3 more. 1, 2, 3 more. And last, she makes 1 more. When we look at our bears, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bears. So let's draw our picture that we had before. We had 1 sandcastle, and then 3 more, and then 1 more. Right? If we separate the parts, we get 1, 3, and 1. And then with our objects was the same thing. We had 1, and then 3 green ones, and then 1 more red one. When we wrote the equation, we have 1, 3, and 1. On this equation, you have two missing parts. Maybe we can add these first 2 together, so we can get 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, and then 1 over here. So 4 plus 1 equal 5. Check, check, check. And now let's use our number line. We started with 1 sandcastle. Remember, we keep on looking at our problem. 1 sandcastle. Then Miss Allen makes 3 more. So we're going to jump 3 more, and it's a putting together, so we're going to go to our right. 1, 2, 3. We landed on the number 4, which is right here, right? Then last, Miss Allen makes 1 more. So we have to jump 1 more and then circle our answer. So you see, I started with the 1 sandcastle. I jumped 3 spaces for the 3. I put another dot on the 4 because I landed on 4 after I jumped the 3 spaces. But then I needed to jump 1 more for the last sandcastle and ended on 5. So boys and girls, remember, in your answer key, you're going to write 5 and not just 5. The problem is asking us to find the amount of sandcastles. So we're going to put sandcastles. S-A-N-D-C-A-S-T-L-E-S. Sandcastles, because it's more than 1. All right, boys and girls, we have our 10 frame. We started with 1 sandcastle. Then we needed to add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And then last, Miss Allie makes one more, 1. And we can see that there is 5. Let's use this equation to fill our number bond. Our whole is the 5 because she has 5 sandcastles in all. When we did our first 3 jumps, we had 4 and then 1. Okay, so 5, 1, and 4. Boys and girls, our challenge problem is the water washes away 2 sandcastles. How many sandcastles are left? So how many do we have up here? We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, underline the question, circle the important fact. The water washes away 2 sandcastles. When something is taken away, we cross it out or we use the minus sign. So let's cross out 2 sandcastles. 1, 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3. 3 remaining. Remember, we have to write our units. So just squeeze in sandcastles right here. And that is it for today's POD, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.